Okay, good afternoon, everyone. I'm interrupting your lunchtime conversations. And I know it's rich. The conversations everyone's having today is rich. Maybe there's an opportunity for us now. I'm standing on my tippy toes this time. An opportunity for us now just to take a breather and allow our bodies to digest, our minds to digest a little before we go into this afternoon. And I can't think of a better way of doing that than with this amazing award-winning choir, Oasis One World Choir. Thank you very much for joining us, everyone.
Hello. Good afternoon, everyone. We are very happy that you're inviting us here. We wrote this song of Come Together in our community. So this is our song. We want to sing it now. Thank you very much.
This song is called Lifting Up My Mind, and it's about what it says in the name, and about Wales being able to lift our hearts, souls, and minds.
Please sing along any bits. This song is all about mental health, but mental health through equality.
not free till we're all free, rising in solidarity. Rising in solidarity.
Hi everyone, good afternoon. Thank you for having us. Our next song is Home Away from Home. This is just a little song that really shows how much we valued Wales, being a city, a country of sanctuary, and welcoming people from all races of life. So it's just a song to show how we feel and how appreciative we are about the land. And it was written by myself and some other members of the choir, Abimbola and Co., and it's in conjunction with a collaboration with Sherman Theatre. Thank you. Sadness and joy, but I will choose to stay strong, be happy and enjoy. You add value to me, you share positive energy, you are my family. Home away from home, land of splendor. Us hope, He give us courage, He give us friendships and happiness. We look ahead to a brighter future. I hold my head up high. You are my family. Home away from home, land of splendor. I love the
just heard were written by choir members, so it's their words, a lot of it in English, but a lot of it in different languages as well. The last song we're going to sing was written by Fionn Campbell-Davis. We did a collaboration with her as part of our Togetherland project, which, Togetherland is everything, everyone together. So we'd love you to join in, and it's called Togetherland, the Togetherland song. So any of the words that you pick up on, please join in. There's lots of la-la-la-ing, and there's a lovely improvisation at the end by one of our lovely choir members. Okay.
Together. What a blessing to work together, live together in a community. Oh, there's power in unity. Oh, we are here. We are here together. We are here. We are here together. Together, together, together. Oh, unity. We must get together. We are here. Let's stay together. There's power in unity.
So we're going to take 5 minutes before the next panel starts. We've 5 minutes and we'll start back again.